I'm so ice cold, good humor. They say I'm out of my mind, standing on the outside, but it's cooler, it's fresher. I like it here.
What's up? Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do the Boxycharm unboxing, and it is pretty late in the month, and I did get this box just like about a week ago, but since I've been so busy and I've been so insane, and if you follow me on Instagram story on why I haven't been posting, but I'm trying to post as much as I can, but it's just been a hassle. For today's video, we're going to do the Boxycharm unboxing, and what I was thinking, we'll kind of do like a try-on style, kind of like KathleenLights does, just because it's fun, and I mean, why not, right? Okay, so this is what the box looks like this month. I'm trying to show you guys, a lot of falling. Okay. There's a lot of good products in here, and by the way, I filmed this whole video once and the footage was horrible, so I kind of have an idea of how I feel about most of these products, but I'll say that as I go. Okay, so this is the card this month. It's called Vacation. Super cute. I love it. So yeah, so there's 5 products in the box. Obviously there is an eyeshadow palette, a mascara, an under eye gel, a smoky eye makeup brush set, and a blush. So we're gonna start with the gel pack, and I did try this out already. It wasn't my favorite just because I don't have puffy under eyes. I have friends that have way puffier under eyes than me, like Juliana, like my best friend, she has really puffy under eyes, and this would be really good for her. But me, you know, like I get good sleep, like I'm a good sleeper. I don't have a problem. Okay, so I'm opening this up. It's a little hard. Okay, it says, thoroughly cleanse eye area. Apply this product under the eye. Leave on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Use promptly after opening for better results. Use for 3 consecutive days. So I already cleaned my whole face and my eyes, obviously. So I'm gonna take this out, because last time this like got all over me. Please explain. What? Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's really like dewy. Alright, so I'm gonna put them on. Alright, so I zoomed you guys in, and I'm gonna put this on the under eye. So I'm guessing this goes like this. Oh my god, this is so cold. Oh my god. So I'm trying to put this really close to my eyes, but I feel like it's falling. Okay. Alright. So, how crazy do I look? Alright, so, I mean, it just feels really cooling. Like, super cooling. But, I mean, I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to give it, this is 30 minutes, right? Let me check. Yes. So, I'm going to leave it on for 30 minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes, and this is very like cooling. Like as the minutes passed, I felt, and the first time that I tried this on too, because I haven't made a video before, it felt very cooling. And so in the beginning of the video, I had them all up here, but I feel like, and literally every time I looked down on my phone, they would fall. Like not all the way, but they would like come off, and like you see, they just, I guess since they're so dewy, they kind of come down and come down and come down. That's my only thing, but I mean, aside from that, I don't know. Let's see. I don't know. I mean, I don't really feel like it did much to my skin. I mean, at least not my at least not like puffiness. I mean, like I said, I don't really have much like puffiness on my eyes, so I don't know. I guess you just have to play around with it more. I mean, it does say on the box, for best results, use for 3 consecutive days. So I mean, I guess after 3 days this will be better, but it wasn't my favorite. Oh, by the way, so this retails for $10 for a box of 3, which is honestly not bad at all. It comes down to being about a little more than $3 each gel pack, which is pretty good. I mean, it's a pretty good price. Alright, so next thing in the box is, I already took it out of the packaging, is an eyeshadow palette. It's actually a collab between Boxycharm and Pure. And I already opened the eyeshadow palette, and honestly, it looks beautiful. So this retails for $36. So it says this transitional palette can be used now or later to bring vibrancy back into your look. Our signature silky smooth ultra matte are paired with pretty pinks and a vibrant blue to lighten the mood. Plus, you can layer the shimmer shades for a duochrome finish. Isn't that just so pretty? Like, honestly, this is like the dream palette. Like, this is kind of like a smaller version of the Jaclyn Hill palette, except there's no like burgundy unless it's like this shimmery. But I mean, pretty much, right? I like it. All right, so I already primed my eyelids I used the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I just used like an RCMA pad to just set everything. So I'm going to just be doing a very simple eye look. I mean, a little like, it's not gonna be a lot just because I don't want to like go cray. So yeah, and the mirror on this is really good. It's a pretty nice mirror. Pretty wide, pretty clean. I'm gonna go in with this Rivange brush, kind of like the same that we used last time for the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna go in with Naked right here. That reminds me of the song of Rihanna. Okay guys, so for the next part of the eye look, I'm kind of just gonna point at the shadow and then just fast forward it, just because it's gonna make the video a lot quicker, and just so we don't waste time on the whole eye look. Oh, I forgot I have brushes in here. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Okay, so another thing in this box is the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Brush Set, which retails for which retails for $23, and it says per brush it's like $140, but like individually. It's basically like pretty good, and it's funny because they have like names. So step 1 is for the money, step 2 for the shadow, step 3 go girl go. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Oh, but they're nice. I should have used them. I totally forgot I had these, man. I'm an idiot. Alright, now I'm gonna grab this black shade, and I know it's gonna be extreme, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of it. I'm gonna use step 1 for the money, and I'm literally going to like not even tap into it and just tap away all the excess. Okay, that's a little too much. Literally like nothing on the brush, and just doing it on the very, very outer corner, like super nothing. Ooh, that's pretty. I like how that tied it in all together. I'm gonna go in with step 2, which is for the shadow, and just kind of blend everything out. I'm gonna grab this brush, the Urban Decay Naked 3 brush that kind of just comes in with the Naked 3 palette. I'm gonna grab my Milani Make It Last and just spray the brush like a lot. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with that setting spray. Smells so amazing. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Charmer, which will be beautiful, and just, ooh, that looks nice. Oh my gosh, I really know I like this. And I haven't even put on the eyes. Alright, and I'm just gonna tap it on. Ooh, oh my gosh, guys, I think I found my new favorite palette. So my final thoughts on this palette, amazing. I do think some of the shades are very powdery, but beautiful nonetheless. This palette literally is beautiful. Like, it gave me such a beautiful, like, natural, like, little, I don't want to say smoky eye, but just natural like eyeshadow, you know, and I honestly love it. Wow, it came out beautiful. All right, so now I'm gonna do the rest of the, not the rest of the face, I'm gonna do the base, do primer, foundation, concealer, and powder, and contour because we don't have anything contouring, and then I'll be back to the rest of the face. Alright, so I did half the base and my eyebrows already. So next thing in the box is this pretty Vulgar blush, and the color I hate the color. I haven't tried it. This is because I did eyeshadow and that's when my camera stopped. I didn't try the blush out, but the color isn't something I'm into, and it's so funny because this is a color my mom would love. This is like her color. Like if she could have this in a lipstick, in a purse, in a phone case, in a blush, in an eyeshadow, like this is her color. Her favorite color of all time. She loves it. So when she saw this, she was like, oh my god, give it to me, give it to me. And I was like, okay, I'll if I don't like it, I'll give it to you. She goes, no, you won't like it. I know you won't. Just give it to me. And I was like, Ma, I have to film a video. Hold on. But I am probably just gonna give it to her because I don't like it. Like, I mean, maybe it looks beautiful on my skin, but just the color, just seeing it on my vanity, I'm just like, ugh, you know? But I'm gonna try it out. This is the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush. This is a powder blush that awakens your complexion and provides a natural glowy flush to your cheeks. This retails for $26. So I mean it is pretty high end. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this Lancome 1 brush, and I'm just gonna like, oh my god, I can't do this. Okay, so the blush is pretty. It is a pretty blush. Like, I do like it. It's just not my favorite. Like I would reach in for more rosy blush, red blush. That's what I'm into. But I mean, it's not ugly, and it looks pretty on my skin. It doesn't emphasize my texture. Like, it is pretty good. So I mean, that's good. All right, so the last and final thing on the box. This video is coming to an end. All right, this is the BellaPierre Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara. Now, I did try this out because I was really curious about it, and I tried it out, and I don't like it at all. I'm gonna try it out again because maybe it was just me that was having a little like off day and I wasn't liking anything. And usually I have super long eyelashes. It took about 2 seconds for it to get on my eye, like transfer to my eye. So I mean, I'm gonna try it out again, just be a lot more careful. This retails for $20. It's BellaPierre, so I mean it's up there in price, but I mean it's not like super expensive. So I'm gonna try it out and just be more careful with it because maybe I was being a little too harsh. See, like it's already transferring. Okay, I'm gonna compare mascaras so you guys can see that it's not just me. So I'm gonna try to get it to a length that I'm okay with, alright? So this eye will be the BellaPierre Volumizing Mascara. And on this eye, I'm gonna use the Big Shot Colossal Mascara. And I'm gonna show you guys that this one sucks. And this is drugstore. That this is about $8, $9. Alright? And it's almost dried out, so is it possible to apply mascara without opening your mouth? I don't think so. Oh my god, the difference, guys. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys in just so you guys can see. This is the Colossal Big Shot and this is the BellaPierre. It is what it is, you know? So I'm gonna put a little bit of highlight and just a lip, and I'll be right back to finish the video. Alright, so Final thoughts on the whole box. I think it was a great box. Aside from the mascara, it was a great box. I love the eyeshadow palette. Love the eyeshadow palette. I like the blush a lot. I liked the makeup brushes, and I liked the eye gels. Even though it's just not for me, I know it could be used for somebody who does have puffier eyes than I do. But I mean, it was a great box overall. I'm very happy over the whole thing. So in every Boxycharm video, I want to have like a favorite, hate it. So my favorite would be the eyeshadow palette. I think it's an amazing eyeshadow palette. Like, if I wasn't a subscriber of Boxycharm, I would literally get the whole box just for the eyeshadow palette, literally. And my hate it was that mascara. I mean, you guys saw, I showed it to you guys. It wasn't my favorite, but I mean, just because it didn't work for me does not mean no, it won't work for you. Everybody has different lashes, have different faces, and different everything. So maybe if you get the box, you'll love it. You know, you'll love it. So I mean, it's just up to you. I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you've stuck on for this long, congratulations, you've reached the end. Woohoo! So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, whatever you want to do it. I hope to see you guys in my next video.